Hello students, today I am explaining exercise 13.1 first sum, that is it is a statistics chapter. First sum I am explaining. So mean we have to find. Okay, a survey was conducted by a group of students as part of their environment awareness program, in which they collected the following data regarding the number of plants in 20 houses in a locality. Find the mean. So mean we can find by three methods: by direct mean and assumed mean and step deviation. See, if the values of the class intervals and frequency are small, means you can do by direct method. Okay, this is F5. Okay, so just I wrote, see, class limit is nothing but the midpoint of the class interval. So upper limit plus lower limit by 2 I calculated. See, 0 plus 2 by 2 means 1. Okay, 2 plus 4 by 2 means 6 by 2, it is 3. Okay, this is 4 plus 6, 10 by 2 means 5. Okay, just another point you should observe is class intervals should be continuous. Okay, so in this case they are continuous. So what is the direct mean formula? Means summation fi xi by summation fi. So just fi xi you should multiply. Okay, this column 1 into 1 1, 3 into 2 6, 5 into 1 5, 7 into 5 35, 9 into 6 54. Just I got added means 162. Summation fi given means 20. So 162 by 20 you should calculate. Okay, so what you will get, see, 1 for 0 means 1 decimal point. So 8's and 1. So 8.1 is the mean of this sum. By I did this by direct method. Okay, so next second sum is, see this one. Consider the following distribution of daily wages of 50 workers of a factory. So observe these class intervals are little large. Okay, now we can do this by assumed mean method. I am showing this sum by assumed mean method. So I just wrote the class interval. Just observe they are continuous. So class marks I calculated. Okay, so same manner upper limit plus lower limit by 2 you should do. So next, see, these intervals are, see, odd number of intervals means 1 2 3 4 5. So if the intervals are odd means we can choose the middle one as a assumed mean. So that's what I choose A as 550. So deviations we should take xi minus a. So this one becomes a 0, this is 20 40. So always see, lower of 0 you will get positive, upper will be negative. So next fi I wrote all frequency values. Fi di means, see, minus 40 into 12 minus 480. This is 14 to 280, 0. This is 120. Okay, this is 400. So if you do the simplification means you will get minus 240. So mean by this method is x bar equal to a plus summation fi di by summation fi. Okay, so if you substitute the values you will be getting the answer 550 plus how much, summation fi di minus 240 by 50. Okay, should do the calculations. Okay, 5 4s are 20, 4.8, 5 8s are 40. Okay, so 540 minus, sorry, 550 minus 4.8 you should do. You do subtraction, and if you do subtraction means 550 4.8 you should subtract. Okay, so if you do means this is 2. Okay, this is 9, this is 4. Okay, 5 4 and 5. So answer is 545. 545.2 is the answer. This is for second sum. Next, third sum of the exercise. So this mean already given 18. You should find the unknown frequency value. F you should find, missing frequency. So just wrote the similar manner. You write the class intervals. Xi I calculated means 13 plus 11 by 2 means 12. This is 14. See, one easy trick is just to find one. See, if the class intervals are continuous, see, for first one you find this class mark, just keep on adding the class size to it. Class size is 2, means it is nothing but the difference of upper limit minus lower limit. Just add class size, you will be getting this column. Okay, this way you can do. If the class intervals are continuous only, you can do this method. Okay, next deviation. I took A as 18. Take deviation. This is 0. 20 minus 18 2. So 22 minus 18 4. Okay, like that I calculated. And Fi I wrote and multiply. 18 0 2F and so simplify means I got this answer. So just write the formula x bar equal to A plus summation Fi di by summation Fi. So x bar value already given, it is 18. So I took assumed mean also 18. Okay. Plus summation Fi di means 2F minus 40 by 44 plus F. Okay. So if you transpose this to RHS means this becomes 0. That implies 0 equal to 2F plus minus 40 by 44 plus F. Next cross multiply means you will get 2F minus 40 equal to 0. So F equal to 40 by 2, which is 20. Okay. So missing frequency is 20 for this. This is for third sum I am showing. Okay. Next, fourth sum. Okay. So 30 women were examined in a hospital by a doctor and the number of heartbeats per minute recorded and summarized as follows. Find the number of suitable method. Find the mean heartbeats per minute. Okay. So fourth sum I am doing. So fourth sum is just you write all the class intervals. Okay. And okay, xi I wrote. See this difference is 3. So there first point is these are continuous. Difference is 3 means see 1.5 you should add to this. Okay. So you will get 66.5. So add class size to it. You will be getting this column. Next di. Okay. So I took assumed mean A as this one 0 3 6. So this one I am showing you by step deviation method. So we should do another column ui after finding di. Ui is nothing but di by h. With class size we should divide this 0 1 2 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. So always above 0 will be negative, below 0 will be positive. So do multiply this one. See Fi, this one I got it as 4. Summation Fi is 30. So just apply the formula x bar equal to A plus summation Fi ui by summation Fi into h. Okay. This is the formula. What we took A 75.5 plus summation Fi ui we got it as 4 by 30 into what is h. H is class size is 3. Okay. 68 minus 65 is 3. Okay. 3 ones, 3 tens. Okay. 4 by 10 means 0.4 you should add. 75.5 plus 0.4 means 75.9 is the answer. So this is regarding the fourth sum. Okay, next fifth sum observe. Fifth sum is in a retail market, fruit vendors were selling mangoes kept in a packing boxes. These boxes contained varying number of mangoes. So So we should find the mean number of mangoes kept in a packing box. So just observe, these are, see, class intervals are not continuous. We should make them continuous. Okay, that work is left. So these are not continuous. What we should do, lower limit you should subtract 0.5, add 0.5 to the upper limit of the class interval. Then these are the continuous class intervals. Next to find class mark. Okay, upper limit plus lower limit by 2. Okay, I took assumed mean as A, took the deviation. This I am doing by assumed mean, step deviation only. So I divided, class size is here 3. Okay, just observe, this is 2. If we make them continuous means one class size changes from this to this. Okay, so divided and Fi ui calculated. Now we will do the class. So x bar equal to a plus summation Fi ui by summation Fi into h. Okay, so what is A57 plus what we got, summation Fi ui is 25 by 400. What is h? It is 3. Okay, now we'll do cancellation. 25 ones are 25 16ths. Okay, so 57 plus 3 by 16. So with 16 you should divide 3. Once 16, so 16 8s are 128. Okay, so 0.18 we got. So 57 plus 0.18 means 57.18 is the answer for this. Okay, next coming to 7th question. Okay, so you should find see, same manner. This one I did by step deviation method. So I took class marks and deviation. A I took as a, you can take, see, even number of intervals are there. You can take this or this, either. You will be getting the same answer. Okay, whatever you take. Okay, now take deviations. Ui equal to di by h you do. Next Fi ui calculate. This one I got -1. So substitute in the formula. A plus summation Fi ui into h by t means 0.99. So this one minus 0.4 by 30 means, so you will get minus 0.004 by 3. So if we divide means this you will be getting the answer. See, this one I rounded off because 86 means you can write it as 9. Okay, so 0.099 is the answer. See, in the last sum, these class intervals are not continuous. So for this type of sum, what you should do, you calculate the class mark for the each interval. Okay, no need to add, the class size is not same throughout. Okay, so 6 by 2 means 3, 18 here, 16 by 2 means 8. Like that, each class interval I calculated the class mark. Then I took this one as A and take deviations. So Fi di. So 11 minus 14 into 11 minus 154 minus 90 minus 35 0 28 48 22. So I simplify means I will be getting this answer. Okay, minus 181. This is 40. So this is A means what, 17 plus minus 18 181 by 40. So if you simplify means you will be getting the answer. So 181 with 40 you divide. Okay, 44 is 160. Okay, 21. Okay, decimal point 0 means 5 is 200. 10, one more 0 means 2 is 80. Okay. Okay. 5 is 200. Okay. So with 40 only I divided. What I got? 17 minus 4.525. If you subtract, I will be getting answer. 17 3 zeros. See, whatever you see, first decimal point, right? Left hand side 4, right hand side 5 to 5. Okay. Now do subtractions. Okay. 9 9, this is 6. Okay, so we'll be getting 7 6.21. okay, so this is the final answer. Okay, this is the final answer. So first exercise of statistics completed. I hope you understand.